What is the status of electronic or e-waste in Taiwan at the moment?
Taiwan is one of the key players when it comes to electronics and also, of course, exporting electronics. And this comes, of course, also with a high usage of electronics also within Taiwan. So, which means the volumes of e-waste is quite enormous, and it's growing. So, among all the volumes of waste, for example, the e-waste is normally topping. So we see that recycling facilities and recycling by itself is not really catching up with the production. So we talk about some kind of a gap of the generation is succeeding the recycling facilities by a factor of 5 or something, which is quite difficult.
Is Taiwan doing enough to deal with this issue?
And I think Taiwan has done quite a lot through its recycling management system, I would say. But I would say the secondary raw material market is one of the key issues here, which we need to focus. So as long as you get the substances, maybe from chemical processes, get out of the materials and out of the electronic waste. Another question is where do you put it in? So it starts from the design. Taiwan is, of course, a key player in also designing electronics. So if Taiwan could, how to say, act up to its role, I would say this would be not only beneficial for Taiwan, but also for the whole supply chain.
What can be done at the consumer level to reduce Taiwan's enormous amounts of e-waste?
I think one of the key things is awareness of the problems we are facing here. Now we go shopping, and I would expect that most of the consumers do not think of how to dispose the product at the end of life. This is simply not on our list when we buy something. Also during the operation time, for example, so which means it would need more energy. So one key aspect of increasing circularity is for sure informing and providing information for the consumer on the consumer side.